what's up, Barrio Builds family? It's your boy Kubo back at it again with another little video. Today we got the hatch again. We're gonna be replacing the two front seats, driver and passenger seats, with some JD and Recaro seats from Japan. We got one of the Recaros back here, and gonna see how it turns out. Hopefully it works, but this is what's going in. Alright, stay tuned for it. Alright guys, here are the stock seats. The first step is using a 12 mil to take out one, two. For real, sheesh. We're done with the swap. And then 3 and 4 right there. So it's 4 12 mil. Let's go. Alright guys, once you have all the seats out, the ones over here, you make sure you get yourself a little helper like a seat. And we're gonna vacuum everything out. This bad boy right here, make sure everything's vacuumed out. Alrighty. Alright guys, after a 30-minute install that turned into 3 hours, a couple modifications in the vehicle, we got the Recaro seats installed with the help of my brother-in-law. And there they are. Check out that nice red accent seats. Definitely makes the interior a lot nicer. Matching that red Skunk 2 shift knob shaft extensioner with the seats.
Where'd you order these from?
I ordered these straight from Japan, from a guy called Amps Bucket Seats off of Instagram. It took about 2.5 weeks to get to me, but can't go wrong. Check it out. Real Recaro Japanese standard brackets, as well as the seating. You can't go wrong with this setup, definitely, but it was a pain in the ass to install, but that's all she wrote. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay in tune with the next video. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but hopefully doing something nice. Maybe doing something to the Supra. Maybe the brother-in-law lives his Crosstrek over there. Sheesh. But yep. Thank you.